I'm sure the title of this video would have given up what I'm coming to talk about today, right? So I'm basically going to talk about how I will approach 2024 with all the experience that I have today if I'm supposed to start forex trading in 2024. This is going to be a straight to the point practical video. Anything that I share with you guys today has been verified and approved. It's something that I've used in my own journey and it's something I can share with you as well. So if you're looking to start trading full-time in 2024, stick with me throughout the video. I'm going to outline certain key principles and guidelines you need to follow. So without wasting much time, my name is Rick FX. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know what to do. If you are new, kindly click on the subscribe button. Also turn on your post notifications so that anytime I post a video like this, you're one of the first people to watch. Before I delve into today's topic, let's just do a little bit of chart work, right? If you see on my screen here, let's just look at what I've been doing this whole week. Today is Tuesday, the 12th of December 2023. It's CPI, but before CPI I was able to spot a trade on USDJPY using the simple concept of Fibonacci that I taught you guys in my previous video. I've been able to get an entry from the Asian session and I've made well over 130 pips on this setup alone way before CPI, right? So this is how I trade. I don't rush the market. This is the only trade I've taken this week, right? This is the only trade that I have taken this week. Yesterday was Monday. I didn't have any setup. Today being Tuesday, I took a clean trade here and we are already 130 pips in profit. I traded CPI as well. I'm going to make a separate video on CPI and then explain to you guys the dynamics of CPI and how this one particularly went, right? But I can leave a small screenshot somewhere just to show you how CPI went for me today. It was a great move nonetheless, even though the volatility was low, which was expected. Looking at the results that panned out, the volatility was expected to be very, very low and not so much volatile, right? But I still managed to make some banks on CPI. So with the USDJPY, I use this particular setup to even teach you guys about the Fibonacci. And I told you that with the Fibonacci, once the market is just trending, you need to just find your pullback. So we have a swing, we have a pullback. We can use the Fibonacci to find an entry here, another swing, another pullback, which ended up forming a consolidation phase. Then we have a new swing here, and this is the pullback of this swing that I got on in this trade. So if you look at the JPY crosses, they kind of have similar patterns playing out. So the likes of AEDJPY, who is also playing out from a simple Fibonacci area, and then NZDJPY as well, that is also playing out with the Fibonacci. So if you realize that USDJPY and then AEDJPY are moving the most, and then I took a trade on what USDJPY and I'm swimming in massive profit already, right? So now let's get back to our video, guys. Let's get back to our video. So if I didn't know anything in trading, and with my experience that I have today, I'm supposed to start trading in 2024. The very first thing I'm going to do is to get educated, right? So as cliche as this may sound, right, education is really, really important when it comes to forex trading. Imagine walking into the airport and then going to sit in an airplane and then saying you want to fly the plane without any prior education or any prior training. I mean, you know, that's a suicide mission, right? This is the same way in forex trading as well, right? I'm sure every mentor out there or every forex influencer out there is talking about the fact that you need to get educated. And no matter how many times it's said, we have a lot of newbies who also don't want to still get educated and just want to go ahead and risk their hard-earned money. But let me tell you what education will do for you. Education, especially when you get access to right information. So I'm going to tell you how to study as well. It's not just about going out there and then learning everything that you want to learn, because mind you, we are trying to be profitable, or we are trying to be full-time traders within the shortest possible time. So what you want to do is to go online. This time around, there are a lot of tons of free materials online on YouTube that are good, right? Good content. So you can go and then learn from these people online, or to cut your learning journey short, you can get a mentor, somebody who has verifiable results and whose trading style you resonate with, right? And then what you want to do is to learn from these people boot for boot, take everything else out and absorb everything they have for you, right? So if you're looking for a community where to start your trading journey, you can as well join my Telegram community by clicking on the link in my description to join the Rick FS Telegram community. I do host random free webinars with the community, teaching them how to trade from scratch. So if you want to take advantage of one of these offers next year, kindly click on the link to join the Telegram community, right? So now back to the video. Get a mentor, learn everything that it is that they can teach you about the business or about their trading style. Learn to the dot specifics, exactly what they do. And now when you're done learning, the next thing you want to do is to practice what you've learned, right? So I recommend practicing with a live account, no matter how small. Do not practice with demo account, because demo account will not make you learn faster. Demo accounts should just help you to be able to find your entries and just get yourself familiarized with the platform. But when it comes to real trading and then real emotions, I recommend that you start trading with a live account, a very small one, right? Because you don't want to expose yourself too much in the market. What you've learned, you're still practicing, so you just want to expose like minimum risk. But it helps you to build your trading psychology and confidence in your strategy, right? So after that phase, after gathering information and then practicing and then knowing that you are good, in the course of all of these things, you identify the kind of trader you are. It's very, very important. We have different types of traders. We have scalpers, we have swing traders, we have day traders, and then we have position traders, right? In the retail space, you don't really see much of position traders. It's just scalpers, day traders, and swing traders. And then all of these trading styles come with different trading personalities. So you come to realize that maybe you like to hold trades as a very short term. Maybe you are comfortable with holding trades overnight so that you can get a big bucks. Or maybe you are comfortable with just holding trades for the day. All of this will be reviewed during your learning process, and then you have to identify the kind of trader that you are or the kind of trading system that suits you. And then you develop from this place. You move on to the next step by developing a trading routine. Now, what is a trading routine? A trading routine is basically how you approach the market and how you have built your life around trading. Now, you need to understand that consistency is what will get you ahead in the trading game. So you have to find a way to build a routine, and what the routine allows you to do is to look at the charts or learn or analyze whether or not you feel like doing it, right? So the routine says Sundays evenings you do your pre-market analysis. No matter how you are feeling, it's time for pre-market analysis. You need to approach the market as a job. You need to approach it as a day job. Because you don't have a boss, you are your own boss. You need to be able to instill that discipline in yourself by creating a trading routine, right? So maybe Sunday evenings you do your pre-market analysis. You watch out for the markets you're looking at or for the assets you're looking to trade during the week, and also you follow up by then trading the individual trading sessions. And also, most importantly, at the end of every trading day, you need to come look at the chart, skim through the pairs and see how the market behaves. You need to be abreast with all the instruments that you trade. So what the trading routine does is that you realize that there are things that I don't even trade, but I still look at the market anyways, because it has become a habit now. No matter where I find myself, all I have to do is to open my laptop and look at the market and then get myself updated with what the market has been doing. So you realize that not only does trading routine makes you active in a game, it also boosts your learning process and then fastens it, right? So if you do these things well, within a couple of months in the first quarter of the year, you should be on your track with a solid trading strategy and a solid specific trading plan that you are following. Now, what is our next step? The next step is to get funded. So when it comes to trading, the long and short of trading is it takes money to make money. So after learning everything that you feel is enough for you to trade now, you also need some capital in your trading account, right? There are so many ways to raise capital. You can either raise it from your day job or anywhere, or you can also go ahead and get yourself funded from the prop firms out there, right? So if you're looking for a good prop firm, you can just click on the link in my description to sign up with Express Funded. So after working on all of these things, you need to work on capital, because capital and knowledge is the catalyst that you need for a successful trading career. The next thing that you want to do as well, which is very, very important, is to get a side hustle, right? So mind you, in the long term, we are trying to become full-time traders. Now, full-time trading is not just about sitting by your machine 24/7 and then claiming you are a full-time trader. If you say you are a full-time trader, it simply means that everything that you do around your life comes from trading, or your earnings from trading. It means trading is paying your bills, trading is paying your school fees, trading is paying for your rent, trading is paying for everything. So you come to realize that if With the way the market works and with the way the psychology of trading works, usually if you are in need of money, you tend to make irrational decisions on the market. So what a side hustle can do for you is to take away your pressure or the need to make money urgently, and then allow you in the space to be able to trade comfortably up to the point where you can comfortably fund your lifestyle from trading without sweating. Then you can comfortably, if you so wish, quit your side hustle. That is if you wish, because I don't mind keeping multiple streams of income, right? It also just facilitates your earning potential. So it is at the point where trading can actually facilitate or pay fully for your lifestyle that you can comfortably say that you are now a full-time trader, and then you can comfortably quit whatever job you are doing, right? So this is the step-by-step procedure that you need to follow in 2024 if you want to become a full-time trader. And trust me, if you follow these steps religiously, in a span of 6 months to 1 year, you're going to see significant improvements in your trading career and in your life as a whole, right? So this right here are my simple steps-to-step guides and approach that I can share with you guys for 2024. Those of you who are looking to start trading in 2024, and then those of you who are looking to take trading serious in 2024. In 2024, I'm going to be organizing a lot of webinars with the community, taking everybody along on my journey as well. So you want to make sure you are in the community by pausing this video right now, clicking on the link in my description to join the RickFX Telegram community. Click on the link in my description as well to sign up with my recommended broker XNES. Follow me on all social media platforms at RICK__FX, especially on Instagram and on Twitter. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.